Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Wednesday, December 4th, 2019. You've made it halfway through the week. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make today. Please be seated. Today we are focusing in on Rattlers being responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Idea 4 is respect other students' comments, opinions, and ideas. Also, we are going to have quite a few visitors on our campus today and tomorrow, so make sure that you are being your awesome selves and greeting them, welcoming them into our building, and just doing your best. And today, celebrating a birthday, Jose Hernandez Santos in kinder, happy birthday, and Jesus Ruiz in 2nd grade. Have a happy birthday. Don't forget to stop by my office for your birthday treat. So an ID update again, you will all receive a brand new special ID. This one cannot be lost. This one is extra, extra special, and they're expensive to be made. Today is Wednesday, so you're going to go to your 3rd block for academic block. Also, take some time now to check your uniform. Remember, you need to make sure you do not have an idea jacket on unless you are outside, or a non-idea jacket on unless you are outside. If you are inside the building, you cannot have that jacket on. So you need to take it off right now and put it in your backpack. Another thing is, we are not allowed to wear hoods in school. You need to, especially in class, you should never ever have a hood on. All right, some announcements. We have 3 weeks of lots of testing. So kindergarten, good luck on your math test today. But for the next 2 weeks, make sure you know when your tests are, you're talking to your teachers, asking questions in class, and that you're here every single day. Speaking of being here every day, we missed attendance by 0.3%, you guys. It's just 2 more students here, and we would have met it, our goal. Today is going to be a little bit warmer than yesterday, actually. The weather has changed. So this morning was actually a little less cold than yesterday. But the rest of the week, again, is looking pretty beautiful. Our health fact of the day is antioxidants in chocolate improve blood flow and protect against UV damage, which is like ultraviolet ray damage. So that's like sun damage. That is pretty amazing. It makes me want to eat a lot of chocolate. But obviously, that's not healthy either. So in moderation. Make sure you're here every single day. And please say the Renberg Academy chant with me. Ready? Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Make it a wonderful Wednesday. And remember that choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Also, teachers, don't exit out of this video yet because I have 2 announcements. One is for kinder through 2nd, and the other one is 3rd through 5th. All right, for kinder and 2nd. You guys have a disco dance and ice cream party planned for December 20th. You are invited if you get a 3 or a 4 on your big exams in December. Witten Wisdom and Eureka Math. Make sure you are doing your very, very best in those classes. If you are not in Witten Wisdom right now, you just have to be working really hard in your in DI. All right, for 3rd through 5th grade, remember, make sure your teachers have all of your, make sure that you have memorized your goals. Okay, I know they changed a little bit yesterday, but they should be on the top of every single sheet of paper. And anyone that walks in your classroom, whether it be me, another administrator, your teachers, or like our special education teachers, other visitors at our school, if they ask you what your goals are, proudly tell them what your goal is. They are going to be super impressed that you know and what you're doing to like work towards that goal. Also, just as a reminder, for that tracker, ADA, which is average daily attendance, is part of getting those points. So make sure if you look down, so if you go all the way down to where it says 14 out of 15 days, and then 15 out of 15 days, we're already at Wednesday. You need to be here every single day to get those 2 points. All right, now let me also explain this. If you are a word master and a math genius, that's awesome. But that's the maximum amount of points you can get is 2 points for this. So if for some reason you've hit 3, which I'm super proud of, you actually, the max is just 2 points. So you get 1 for each one, and then you max out if you have 2 or more, so that you can go to the block party and the VIP lounge. I want to make sure that you're working very, very hard, and as a homeroom, you're working towards that Sunday party. I hope you all have an amazing day. Teachers, please take attendance and call students who are out. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.